Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you that how to install HP Laserjet 1320 printer. First of all, make sure that your printer cable is attached with your computer. Okay, the process that I will tell you is for Windows 7, but I'm sure that it will be also effective for Windows 8 and 10. So let's start. First of all, click on Start menu. Here you will see a dialog box at front of you. Then click Devices and Printer. Okay. Here you will click Add a Printer. A dialog box also appear again at your computer or laptop screen. Then click Add a Local Printer. Okay. Another dialog box appear at front of you. Now this port line, printer port, you will click on this line and a drop down menu will appear at front of you. So you will click this DOT4 port. When you will click DOT4 port, keep in mind that if you find more than one DOT4 port, then you must have to click on the port with the highest number. Like if you have DOT1, DOT4 001, DOT4 002, DOT4 003, so you will click on the highest, on the port with the highest number, like 00, DOT4 004, DOT4 004, because you have DOT1 001, DOT4 002, DOT4 003 and DOT4 004, and you will click on the port with the highest number, like DOT04 001. But here I have only one port, DOT4001, and I will click on this port. Now click on Next. Okay, here is two dialog boxes. Left side is manufacturing, right side, and left side is printers. You must have to select the company, manufacturing company of the printer. Like if you have the printer like Brothers Company, Canon, Epson, Fuji, and I have HP printer, so I will click here on HP. When I will click here in HP, then you can see that a number of printer models appear at front of you. Okay, let's search our required printer. We have 1320 HP Laserjet. Okay, we reached at Laserjet 1320 PCL5. Now you will click on this. Okay, and if you will not find your desired printer, in this list you must have to click on Windows Update. When you will click on Windows Update, your window will be updated and your desired printer model will be appear in this list. Then you must have to click on your required printer, like HP Laserjet 1320 PCL5, because we are going to install HP Laserjet 1320. So you will click here and then you will click on Next. At this point, you can see two lines. First is two options. First is use the driver that is currently installed, replace the current driver. Because you want to install your driver, your printer in your PC, you have not already installed printer, so you must have to click on this, use the driver that is currently installed, and then you will click on next. Because I have already installed printer in my computer, so I will not click on the next. But if you do not have, you must have to click on the next, and after clicking on this option next, you hardly you will perform one or two steps and your printer will be installed in your PC. So hopefully this one was understandable. Inshallah, now you will not feel any difficulty in installation of your printer. So please do your printer install in your computer. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.